Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. We can get straight into this. Amazon, count your days. Count your days. This wig stinks. What I mean by stinks, I mean by atrocious. I've never had any hair that smells. It just smells wicked. Like, what is this? It says human hair, but I don't know. I ain't gonna get rid of it because I didn't pay my money for this, but this gonna need triple condition silicone mix, something, because this smell got to go. Y'all crazy. Do you not smell what you're selling? Anyway, we're done with that. I was gonna do another wig, but I think I'm gonna do a quick weave. I got a lot of hair that's left over, and I don't know why, but people like to give me hair. Nobody's sponsoring, but like family members. Let me get some real stuff. Give me some good hair. No, I gotta get the beauty supply store hair. I mean, granted, some beauty supply store hair is good, but it ain't the good hair. But I'll take it. I ain't got paper. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. So we're just gonna do a quick weave. All I got is a slither of a closure. One, I'm not going out to buy a closure. I have one. Well, it's a slither, but it's gonna do what it do. So I think it was a 4x4, and I just cut it in half. Put my little fake flesh tape on here. Yeah, I'm gonna mold my hair, and I'll be back. All right, y'all. I was thinking about sewing down this closure, but oh no, dang it! I was thinking about sewing down this closure, but this closure has been around for a while, and it's time to let it go. This is the last time I'm gonna use this closure, so we just gonna glue it down for the time being. I'm only gonna glue just the brim, but I'm gonna leave. You see how I left some of the lace unglued down? So as if I want to glue it down with some lace glue, or if I just want to leave it like glueless if I choose to. But now I just got to figure out the placement of this bad boy. I don't want it too low. Is this good? Alright, I'm gonna try to get this back for you, but I can't. I can't promise you no promises, but I'll see what I can do. Alright, y'all, well, my flat iron is heating up. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up this part. So I already have the tape on here, but still, she got me open up. Still wanna make this thing look crispy. So remember I said that I didn't glue this part down. So it's up to you if you want to. I'm just gonna leave it like this. It really shouldn't be mattering. And if I need, like if I'm going somewhere and it's the wind blown out, just add a little bit of spritz on there. Just using some makeup that matched my shade. Honestly, if you use an edge control that's actually strong enough, it should be a good hold. You shouldn't need anything else. Alright. It's what we dealing with, baby. And after time, the curl's just gonna drop. But this is what I got for this little quick weave. And I can't even give you an approximate as to what. I know it's gonna be a 4. I'll say a 2x6. No, 2x4. 2x4 closure since I cut it in half, and it was a 4x4. Slice that bad boy down the middle. Yeah, 2x4. But this is what we're working with. Look how natural that looks. And when the curls drop, I gotta get dressed. I didn't actually write it down. Let me hurry up before I get in trouble. Because we about to go out to eat. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And that's what we're rocking with. Thank you.